So friends, that day I show you that browser-based WhatsApp application. Now that same browser-based WhatsApp application which I developed with the ReactJS invite, I have converted in the desktop application in the macOS. So whatever data you can read, it is around 1,000 lines of data. You can read easily, and it is working seamlessly and easy to read also. Like this, you can see here. So all the data you can easily throw out up to down, and same data in the browser also. This is desktop application. You can see here. This is seamless. It is saving. Now, if you ask what are the commands for this, so these are the commands I have used for that one. So you can see these are the commands. And if you wanted to see how many lines of this data, then I will show you those one also. This is around 1,000 lines of data, what you are seeing over there. And if you ask terminal command, so this is the terminal command. One is for the node, and second is, this is a wrapper actually. There are two ways to convert your node application in the app. So this is a wrapper. Second one is the native. Next time I'll come with the native